In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at the regions. Here we have one region and a second region, and currently they're blue. If I select one, it turns orange. The region now also has handles. At the top here for gain, and in the corners for fade. Our cursor will change depending on where we are placed on the region. Right now it's an arrow. If I hold down the mouse now, it turns into a hand. And now I can move the region. If I go to the top handle here, it turns into this arrow up and down cursor, and I can now hold down the mouse and adjust the gain. We also get a tooltip showing how much we've adjusted the gain. At the ends of the region, we get this cursor showing left and right. If I now hold down my mouse, I can now trim the region. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a look at fades.